clock is really easy. There's only 3 steps. The first step is to get all the center clocks facing upward. These are centers and these are corners. Flip it around, then solve the other side, then solve all the corners, and then you're done. First thing you need to know is if you have a pin up, then it means everything around it will turn, but everything else won't. If you have 2 up, everything around both of them will turn. And if you have 3 up, everything will turn except for the cog that isn't up. With that in mind, the first step is to solve these 2. All we have to do is put just this pin up at the bottom, turn this cog until this centerpiece is facing the same way as this. Next, we're going to go round clockwise, so we're going to pair these 2 up with this. All we have to do is push this down, push this top one up. That will spin everything around here, which includes these 2. So we just turn this until that is facing this one. The next one we want to connect is the bottom, so then we put this pin up, which spins everything around here, including the 3 we just solved, and spin it until that's facing the bottom. And then instead of putting this down, we keep it up and put this one up as well, meaning that all of these 6 will turn until we face the same way as this one. And all of the center pieces are facing the same way. Now we just have to put all the pins up and turn it until they're all facing up. Now flip it around and do the exact same thing. This pin up, turn it until the center and the top are the same. Put this pin down and then this one up. Then turn this cog until these 2 are facing the same as this one. Then put this down and put this one up until all of these are facing the bottom. And then put the bottom one up, keeping this up, and turn them all so they're facing the same as this one here. And put all the pins up until they're facing up. Last step is to solve all the corners. All we have to do is put one pin down and then spin any of these until they all face the same as this one here. Next, we put this one down and this one up. There's always 3 when we're doing the corners, and turn these 3 until they face this, just like this. Now we put them all up and this one down, and then turn these 3 until they face this corner. And then last one up, and then this one down, and turn them all until they face this corner. Everything up, and we turn the top, everything solved, and the back solved as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I also have a pyramid, cube, and 2x2 tutorials as well. Cheers.